Hello, now we'll solve the following exercise using the Python language. Write a Python program that receives one integer number from the user and print if the number is divisible by 3 or by 5. Well, as always, the code and the exercise listed is in the description of the video, and if you like, please subscribe. Let's first plan what we'll do here. We'll have to receive a number. We'll have to check if the number is divisible by 3 or by 5, divisible, and I have to print the results. Okay, I received the number, pretty simple. It's an integer, it's an input of an integer. So our number is an integer because the exercise specifically asked for integer number, and it will be an input from the user. So please insert a number. Okay, now we check if the number is divisible by 3 or by 5. Let's check separated here. Let's first check if it's divisible by 3. Okay, we assume that the number is not divisible by 3, just to make the computation easier, so it's divisible by 3. We use a Boolean variable to store false because we assume that's not divisible by 3, and we check if it is indeed divisible by 3. And how do we do it? That we use the remainder operation. So if the remainder operation for number and 3 is equal to 0, then our number is indeed divisible by 3. And what does that mean? Okay, we are checking here if the integer division of our number by 3, if the remainder of this integer division is 0, that is to say, if our number is perfectly divisible by 3 without any decimal places. So likewise, we do the same thing for 5 here. If it's divisible by 5, we assume it's false, and we check if the remainder operation of our number 5 is 0, that is to say, if the remainder of the integer division of our number per 5 is 0, then our number is indeed divisible by 5. And we print the results. Well, we have 4 possibilities here, no? It can be divisible by 3. We have examples here. It can be divisible only by 3. It can be divisible only by 5. Okay, the example only by 5 not here. It can be divisible by both or by neither one. So we will have 4 different conditions here. So we check if is divisible by 3. We have the Boolean variable if is divisible by 3 and is divisible by 5. Okay, we print as instructed by the question here. The number %d, which is our number, is divisible by 3 and by 5. Perfect. Now, if it's not divisible by both, we check individually each one. So, if it's not divisible by 3 and 5, we check, okay, is divisible only by 3, is divisible by 3. If that's the case, then we print like it's instructed here. The number %d is divisible by 3, our number. Perfect. We check again if it's not that the case, we check again only for 5 now. If is divisible by 5, we follow the same pattern as 3. The number %d is divisible by 5. And if none of the above, it's not divisible by neither. So we use this last condition. The number, our number, is not divisible neither by 3 nor by 5, our number. Okay, let's quickly check what we've done here. We received the number. Okay, we check if it's divisible by 3. Okay, we check if it's divisible by 5. Okay, and we have the results of if it's divisible or not in 2 Boolean variables. One named is divisible by 3 and one named is divisible by 5. And you just check the 4 different possibilities of 4 different outcomes that we can get on the print results. Okay, and that should be it. Let's test it. Let's check with the examples that the exercise gave us. If we put 15, we should receive, okay, the number 15 is divisible by 3 and by 5. And that is it. Perfect. Let's check again. Now with 9, it's only divisible by 3. Perfect. Let's check with an example for 5. 20. 20 is only divisible by 5. Perfect. And let's check with 2. That's divisible by neither, it's not divisible by neither. And perfect. And that's it. Pretty simple. Thank you.